Ya nanti kalau misalkan masih ada waktu ntar aku yang maju, cuman kalau nggak bisa ya mohon maaf ya Sel.
Ya apa ya? Satu kata.
By, in, of,
Talk
on, at, to,
at with
about,
along behind
behind, without,
to over
among,
Kira-kira. Bacain buku ini. Buku itu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Evening. We are Group 1. We have 4 members here. They are Mbak Zahro, Mbak Diana Fitri, Mbak Surnia, and me, Tika Resti. So today we are going to explain about how to use the preposition at, in, and on in a sentence. We already know what the meaning of preposition, right? Mr. Sahat already explained about it. Thank you, Mr. Sahat, for the explain. And you can see on the screen. Now let's get started about a preposition of place, at, in, and on. Preposition of place adalah kata depan atau preposisi untuk menunjukkan suatu letak, tempat, atau posisi suatu nomina. In general, we use at for a point. Ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan posisi, letak yang lebih spesifik. Nanti kita akan bahas contohnya supaya lebih jelas. And then, in for an enclosed space, digunakan untuk menunjukkan tempat dalam suatu ruang yang tertutup. atau nama negara. Alright? And then we have on for a surface, yaitu digunakan untuk menunjukkan tempat di atas permukaan. Okay? Let's take a look the example here. We have at point. This one at the corner, at the bus stop, at the door, at the top of the page, and at the end of the road. And then in closed space, here in the garden, in London, in France, in a box, and in my pocket. And the last, we have on surface, this one on the wall, on the ceiling, on the door, on the cover, and on the floor. Excuse me, Miss Sir Sahat, can you move the another slide? Thank you. Okay, we have preposition of place here. You can see preposition of place have in, at, and on, right? The explanation about preposition in, at, and on here. In, explanation atau penjelasannya adalah inside. You can see the example here. I watch TV in the living room. I live in New York. Look at the picture in the book. She looks at herself in the mirror. She is in the car. Look at the girl in the picture. This is best team in the world. Nah, contoh di atas ini merupakan preposition of place in, karena ini artinya adalah digunakan di dalam. It's mean kayak I watch TV in the living room. Artinya saya menonton TV di dalam living room, right? And then we have at. Explanation used to show an exact position or particular place table. Look at the example. I met her at the entrance at the bus stop. And then even, she sat at the table. And then even at the concert, at the party, and explanation about place where you are to do something typical, like watch a film, study, work. Like the example, at the movies, at the university, at work. And preposition about place at ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan posisi yang tepat atau tempat yang khusus. Di situ telah dijelaskan, saya bertemu dengan dia di pintu masuk di stasiun tempat pemberhentian bus di sini. Okay? And then for on, please Mbak Zaro to explain about on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mbak Tika. Yeah, I'm going to explain about preposition of place. Tadi yang Mbak Tika ngomongin, yang ada in, ada at. Saya akan menerangkan tentang on di sini. Preposition of place tentang on. Yaitu ada attach. Look at the picture. For example is, look at the picture on the wall. Cambridge is on the river Cam. Or it's attached next to or along the side of river. Used to show that something is in a position above something else and touching it. Left, right. A floor in the house used for showing some methods of traveling television, radio. In attached is, for example, is attached next to or along the side of river. For example is, look at the picture on the wall. Cambridge is on the river Cam. The book is on the desk. And then used to show that something is in a position above is a smile on his. And then the something, no, haven't yet, sir. Thank you. Something else and touching it is smile on his face. And then left, right is, for example, is the shop is on the left. And then a floor in a house Is it example is my apartment on the first floor, and then on in explanation used for showing some method of traveling television radio. For example is I love traveling on trains, on the bus, on a plane, and then my favorite program on TV, on the radio. Okay, can next slide, sir. Thank you. And then this time is have preposition of time. At, in, on. We can use at for a precise time. Means is for waktu yang tepat. In for months, years, centuries, and long period. Means for months is buat bulan, tahun, abad, dan jangka panjang. Dan on for days and date. Untuk hari dan tanggal. Dan di samping ini ada gambar yaitu in buat tahun. Bisa kelihatan nggak, teman-teman?
Bisa, Mbak. Bisa.
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 Yang in ini ada tahun yaitu 1960, and then for monsoon is musim, and then October is months, and then the night, and then for on is on Monday, is for Halloween, and then for the 1st of May, and then at is for what is this? I can see. For clock, 5 o'clock, and then sunrise, and then what is this?
The moment, Mbak Zaro.
The moment. Oh, thank you, Mbak Tika. And for the moment. And then at precise time, is it for time is example is at 3 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m., at noon, at dinner time, at bedtime. And then in, di sini bisa untuk bulan, tahun, abad, dan jangka panjang. Untuk example is in May, in summer, in the summer, in 1990, in the 1990s. And then on di sini untuk hari dan tanggal. For example is on Sunday, on Tuesday, on 6 March, on 25 December 2010, and then on Christmas Day. Can next slide, sir? Thank you. Actually, this one is the same. It's like just now, preposition of time. It's the at precise time at 3 o'clock. For example, at 3 o'clock. And then at 3:30 a.m., at noon, at dinner time, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment. Semua menggunakan at kalau untuk waktu yang tepat. Dan kalau untuk in, is it for months, years, centuries, and long periods? Is it, for example, is in May, in summer, in the summer. No, I haven't yet. Oh, okay. Thank you. For Mbak Diana, slide ke-13.
Oke, thank you Mbak Jaro udah jelasin preposition of time, at, in, on. Sekarang kita lihat contoh penggunaan di dalam kalimatnya. Look at this example. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. And then the shop closes at midnight. And then Jen went home at lunchtime. In England,
It often snows in December. And then, do you think we will go to Jupiter in the future? And then, there should be a lot of progress in the next century. And then, do you work on Mondays? And then her birthday is on 20 November. And then, where will you be on New Year's Day? Notice the use of the preposition of time as in the following standard expression. Perhatikan penggunaan preposisi waktu at di dalam ungkapan standar berikut. Expression at night. Example, the stars shine at night. And then at the weekend. For example, I don't usually work at the weekend. And then at Christmas. Example, I stay with my family at Christmas. And then at the same time, we finish the test at the same time. At present, he is not home at present. Try later.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mbak Zaro and Mbak Diana Fitri. I think
You're
that's
welcome.
all. Yes, I think that's all presentation about preposition from group 1. Any question? Everybody? Everyone?
No.
No, thank you.
No, I think no. So far, so good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Evening.
Thank you. Maaf sir, soalnya ini grupnya ada 4 orang, tapi Mbak Dwi Astuti mengundurkan diri. Jadi grup ini cuma 3 orang. Thank you. And now, we are group 2. We will explain about preposition of, and I'm Estina, and other will be explained Bella and Rohayati. And preposition of contrast, there are several conjunctions that indicate a preposition of contrast. And now I will explain 3 of them. About, on, before, in front of, and because of. And number 1, I will explain of about on. About on is if intended is tentang about, and on can use about is official, while on is informal or not official. For the example, A. Jane is reading a book on African animal. On here is not official or is informal. And B. Jane is reading a book about African animal. About here is official. And number 2, before, in front of. That means before is sebelum and in front of is di depan. Before usually used if you are referring to time. And in front of refers to location or position. And for example, A. I will call you before 7. before here explain to time about time. And B, there is a palm tree in front of my house, and in front of here explaining about location. Or for example, other example like the ball is in front of the box. Kayak bola ini di depan box gitu. Menunjukkan tempat lokasinya bola tersebut. And number 3, because of. Because in conjunction and used for relation. Ini kata penghubung dan bisa digunakan untuk memberi suatu alasan. For example, A. I should not come because it rained hard. Saya ini seharusnya tidak datang karena hujan lebat gitu. Because of is professional first and followed by noun or pronoun, diikuti kata benda atau kata ganti. And B, I could not come because of a heavy rain. Dan di sini because juga menunjukkan karena ini hujan lebat, heavy rain. So thank you, and then Bella will explain the other material.
Okay. Thank you, Mbak Dina.
You're welcome.
I want to tell about across stroke. Across atau melalui mengacu pada suatu daerah yang luas. Across the desert. Kadang Anda juga dapat across stroke. Stroke the park. Stroke atau melalui dalam arti satu sisi atau bagian lainnya yang mengacu pada sesuatu, seperti terowongan, stroke a forest, stroke a pipe. Number 5, after and afterward. After biasanya diikuti oleh kata benda atau kata ganti. After lunch, after dinner, after breakfast, after school, after the meeting, etc. Afterward bisa berdiri sendiri. Contohnya, we had lunch in Bandung. Afterward, we left for Bogor. Number 6, across on over. Across dan over bisa digunakan jika dimaksud dari satu sisi ke sisi lainnya. Contohnya, my new house is across or over that new ring road. Over tidak bisa digunakan untuk suatu daerah yang luas. And contoh lainnya, the workers were laying a pipeline over the sea. Itu adalah contoh yang salah. Dan contoh yang benar, the workers were laying a pipeline across the sea. Number 7, it's behind or at the back. Sesudah behind. Oh, nggak apa-apa Mbak. Lihatnya di handphone soalnya.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Can next slide? Thank you.
Number 7, at behind or at the back. Sesudah behind, kita bisa menempatkan kata benda atau kata ganti. Contohnya, behind the building. Behind him, you, her, them, or us. Behind juga bisa berdiri sendiri. There is a tennis court behind. There is a small flower garden behind. And at the back of bisa digunakan sebagai behind. Contohnya, there is a flower garden at the back of my house. There is a flower garden behind my house. Sebelumnya tadi saya sempat menjelaskan across dan through. Di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan nggak, kawan-kawan? Any question about across and through?
So far, Mel.
Ya, oke. Untuk across dan through, both of these words are used to indicate a movement from one place to another. Using across is somehow like using on. We usually use across to talk about moving from one side to the other. Okay. Using through, however, is somehow like using in or inside. Imagine a place which is surrounded by something, for example, a tunnel or a forest which is covered with tall trees. Okay, I think enough. And we are moved to Mbak Rohayati. Halo, Mbak Rohayati.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, sir, and all my friends. Now I want to tell about according to by. According to digunakan jika Anda mengacu pada suatu informasi yang datang dari pihak lain. A. According to my brother, you answer in B. According to this book, the height of the building is 100 meter. Jika Anda mengacu pada diri Anda sendiri, Anda katakan in my opinion. In my opinion, what he has just said is not wrong. Kita bisa menggunakan by atau according to jika mengacu pada jam atau jadwal. A. By my watch, it's still 2025, atau B. According to my watch, it's still 225. Then number 9, besides plus noun or pronoun, berarti di samping, next to. A. Jane said beside me last night. B. Jane said next to me last night. C. I put the wallet beside this book. D. I put the wallet next to this book. Beside, dengan atau tanpa objek, berarti selain menunjukkan tambahan in addition to. A. There were some other students in that room beside us. B. Beside coffee, I also need some sugar. Then number 10, between and among mempunyai arti yang sama, yaitu antara between digunakan untuk menunjukkan pembagian antara dua orang, benda atau waktu. A. You can divide this between you but. B. The boy said between his mother. Anda menggunakan among plus plural noun untuk mengacu pada sekumpulan orang atau benda lainnya. Paling kurang 3. A. My brother was among the demonstrator last week. B. The rent of the house is divided equally among Johan, Rudy, and Harry. I can enough. And thank you. Have any question?
Okay, there is any question, kawan-kawan? No?
No.
Thank
Ada yang
you.
kurang jelas? Thank you.
bertemu.
About.
About
Out.
I have been partying with her
with
for 2
with
years. Is it? For 2 years.
I have been practicing with her.
After finishing our school at junior high school.
From
Blitar.
Blitar.
she
we went
went
to Surabaya
to
last
Surabaya last year.
Yeah.
On
On Sunday last
Sunday
week.
last week.
Last week.
at
At
Jalan Mawar.
Jalan Mawar
Our
nomor
Sev-
17.
Wah,
17.
by
I
by
always come to make the
By motorcycle every week
motorcycle every week.
of her.
Of her.
Of her.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ink.
Job. Living
Living
for
Living
for India.
for India.
itu harus ditambahi about. Living. About living for India. You are capable of doing better work.
Doing better work. Yes.
For be late.
For being late.
For being late.
Di apa pun.
For being late. Unapproximate. For having a big
I'm accustomed to having a big breakfast.
for having a big
For.
breakfast.
Jarang presented.
Presented as
Prevented.
of completed the work. Of completing the work.
Completing is not completed.
The rain prevent us
Rain prevent apa?
from
From completing the work.
always complaining
About having
about
headache.
the having.
Instead of studying, further recommend us to ball game with some of our friends. Instead of studying.
Of study.
For
helping
Carry my suitcase.
To know.
From knowing the whole truth.
To knowing the whole.
to knowing.
For knowing that the whole truth.
Jadi apa?
What?
Nomor 9 tadi, sir? Number 9?
On.
On knowing.
The whole truth.
I believe.
In being.
For being honest all the time.
I believe.
With.
Apa teh?
Oh, I believe of being honest all the time.
I believe of
in
being.
being. In being
Believe in.
honest.
In being.
In apa on? In ya?
In.
In being. Kayaknya kuai-kuai deh. Kuai-kuai.
In being.
In.
From.
Honest all time.
I believe in being.
In. In. Kayaknya kuai-kuai. Kuai-kuai. In. At the station now. The children have gone to school. They must be in.
At school ya?
At school.
Ini kan udah ada at.
Udah ada at-nya.
Ini kan udah ada at. Be in at school.
Apa sih? Ya nomor 2.
At.
Oh.
The victim was taken to hospital last night. He is in hospital now.
Tempat.
Ada space. Jadi pakai in.
Maaf, bukannya school juga ada space.
The next
Oh, it's not clear.
At the Max live at she is at
Party.
Yes, gone together. He is
He's in the garden now.
Garden.
Mother has
She must
just
be
gone
in
to
bed now.
She must be in.
On bed.
In contact.
Di atas. Datar. On.
Di atas. On.
On. Bukan in. Berarti di dalam bed dong.
Bajaro.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Our dinner in the kitchen.
Father
is
is
going
At home.
He is at home now.
At home.
We
We are taking our
taking our
holiday
holiday
On July next year.
on.
On.
I like reading books about
About
Politics and economic.
according
According to the timetable, the next train will arrive at 10 o'clock. Make sure you will be here before 7 o'clock.
Before 7 o'clock.
There is new agents on the route.
On the route.
Jalan besar, datar.
di atas. There's a thin swamp in the river.
Children swim
Across the river.
across the river.
Across the river.
Across the river.
I could not
I
get
could
to
not
work
get to
Because
work
of-
because of the heavy rain.
Because of the river.
Don't
Don't
forget to
forget
see
to see him after work.
After work.
To see him
After.
after
Our
Our
important
important
guest
guest will arrive soon afterward.
Afterward. What?
There is a garden in front of his house and
Behind,
one behind. Oh, yeah.
back on behind.
Behind.
Di
Rumah.
belakang.
Di
Belakang
belakang.
apa di samping?
Behind di belakang.
Samping.
Di belakang.
Behind di belakang. Samping. Ngegas. Beside, ya.
Oh iya, Ding.
Back early. Back early. We have to go back early.
Back early.
Number 1.
According to the doctor.
According to the doctor.
According to the doctor, ya. My sister must stay in bed for the test.
Go to school because of the heavy snow.
The heavy snow. I will be
Waiting for you at
across the department store.
in front of the department store.
The department store.
I will be waiting for you across
Oh.
the department store. Put it in its place.
Number 3 is at. Number 3 is I will be waiting for you at the department store. And then number 4 is put it in front of its place.
My
Good,
brother is
Basinda.
not so good.
Table tennis.
My father is not so good after playing table tennis. There is a new theater
Across the river. After walking, I will
I will go
after
because
By working hard, she will be more successful.
because of working.
By working,
Because of working. Because of
Beside you.
beside you last night.
You must divide this cake equally for the two of you.
Between the two of you.
He spent money like a rich man. Switzerland lies between four other countries. Oh, berarti among
Everybody send flower for you.
for you.
My
My
uncle
uncle
lives
down the street. Hit by a car.
Put this blanket under your knee.
Over your knee.
Under your knees.
Flight 29 to Surabaya was delayed.
A wind district.
Was delayed.
Owing to the strike.
Number 10, despite the light rain, the football game was not cancelled.
Artikel itu karangan nggak bisa ya?
Artikel itu kata sandang.
Kata sandang de.
Seperti sebuah an. Indefinite atau an.
De.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. We are group 3. I'm sorry, sir, because one of the student is Hanik Handayan, she cannot present, so we only 3 will give the presentation. I and because I use my phone, the screen is blank, so I'm looking at the PPT you gave us. So for the first indefinite article will be presented by Eka Ayuning Tias. Can you present it?
Mbak. Iya.
Okay, please.
Nenek. Iya, terima kasih. Maaf. Saya akan menjelaskan identifikasi artikel a or an. The article an or a are used before singular and countable.
Mbak Eka itu bacanya en, bukan en.
Iya, maaf. An are used before singular countable nouns in their general sense. So, example, I will buy a car in the future. Ini kan penggunaan contoh penggunaan karena car itu kan bentuknya countable, jadi bisa dihitung. Terus ada juga contoh I ate an apple at lunch. Next slide, sir. Thank you. When to use a diletakkan di depan kata yang diawali huruf konsonan seperti B, C, D selain huruf vowel seperti A, I, U, E, O. Akan tetapi bukan hanya dalam konteks tersebut kata bantu digunakan di depan huruf konsonan. Jika diucapkan huruf konsonan akan berbunyi selain dari kelima huruf tersebut. Seperti saya punya contoh a snake, a tiger, a tree. Lalu bentar. Saya punya contoh kalimat. Sebentar. Saya punya contoh kalimat yang digunakan di depan huruf konsonan. Why do we need to be a car? Terus yang digunakan di depan huruf vowel yang suaranya mirip konsonan. Jadi tidak selamanya huruf konsonan memiliki bunyi dalam kata tertentu. Huruf konsonan bisa berbunyi seperti vowel A, I, U, E, O. Begitu juga sebaliknya, dalam kata tertentu vowel bisa terdengar seperti konsonan. Seperti yang saya buat kalimat. Maaf sir, ini HP-nya agak lemot. Iya, masih. Nih, contoh yang di depan huruf vowel yang suaranya mirip konsonan. She is studying at a university in Indonesia. Itu kan university kan dibacanya bukan university tapi university. Jadi bukan dibaca U tapi dibacanya U. Jadi pakai E. Terus Mbak Sinta. Maaf, sir. Mbak Sinta. Halo, Mbak Sinta.
Yes.
Mbak Sinta, boleh tolong diterusin nggak? Ini nenekku keluar, Mbak. Mandi,
Oke. Oke.
Maaf ya, sir. Yang N, Mbak. Yang N.
Oke.
Makasih, Mbak.
I will continue the explanation how to use an. We use an when the first sound is the first sound of the noun is a vowel. Like Eka has explained, it's a, I, U, E, O. For example, I'd like to have an apple for breakfast. She has become an astronaut now, but there are also some words that in writing is a consonant letter, but when we read it is like a vocal letter. For example, like hour, it means jam. Misalnya saya membuat kalimat 1 jam yang lalu dia sudah pergi. Kalimatnya itu he just left an hour ago. And then I'd like to continue to indefinite article or an. Do I need to tell you? Because I cannot see the screen, sir. So yeah, so I'm going to read it on the PPT. The use article, indefinite article or an. The first use is to refer to something for the first time. For example, an elephant and a mouse fell in love. Would you like a drink? I finally got a job. There is also a note. Yesterday, I met a boy near my house. The boy wanted to communicate with me. The second use is meaning one, referring to a single object or person. For example, I'd like an orange and 2 lemons. But also there is a note that we also usually say 100, 1,000, 1,000,000. Note that we use one to add emphasize or to contrast with the number. Jadi kalau untuk menyebutkan 100, 1.000 atau 1.000.000 dalam bahasa Indonesia, itu dalam bahasa Inggris bisa menggunakan e. Tapi untuk menyebutkan ada exact numbernya, kita menyebutkan one, seperti 100, 100 atau 100 gitu kan. 1.000.000, 1,000,000, seperti itu. Seperti dalam contoh, I don't know one person who likes eating elephant meat. We've got 6 computers, but only 1 printer. The third use of indefinite art is with names of jobs. For example, John is a doctor. Mary is training to be an engineer. He wants to be a dancer. For this use, there is no note. And then for the fourth indefinite article or an, the use is with nationalities and religions. For example, John is an Englishman. Kate is a Catholic. But the note is that because John is an Englishman, it means that he is British or the people from England. And then for the slide 4 is for Mas Firmansyah. Can you present it?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Oke, di sini saya akan melanjutkan penjelasan dari Mbak Sinta. To refer to a kind of or example of something. Nah, jadi di sini untuk merujuk contoh dari sesuatu. Nah, contohnya gini. The mouse had a tiny nose. Tikus itu memiliki hidung yang mungil. Halo? And then the elephant had a long trunk. Gajah itu memiliki belalai panjang. Terus it was a very strange car. Itu adalah mobil yang sangat aneh. Jadi di sini di sini untuk merujuk contoh dari sesuatu gitu. Terus yang kedua, with similar nouns after the word what and such. Contoh, halo?
Lanjut, Mas.
Contohnya, what a shame. And then, she's such a beautiful girl. Nah, jadi di sini dengan kata tunggal setelah kata what dan such.
Saya ingin menambahkan, bentar Mas Firman, saya ingin menambahkan, jadi penggunaan di setelah kata what dan such ini untuk menyebutkan sesuatu yang dalam misalnya jumlah yang dalam ekspresi yang berlebihan gitu. Jadi what a shame gitu kan, sayang sekali gitu. Atau juga she is such a beautiful girl. Dia itu gadis yang sangat cantik. Begitu. Silakan lanjut yang terakhir, Mas Firman.
Oke. Yang terakhir adalah after there is atau setelah there is. Contoh kalimatnya gini. There is a book on the table. Ada sebuah buku di atas meja.
Itu bukan ada sebuah buku. Jadi untuk menunjukkan letak there is di sana ada sebuah buku di table di meja gitu. Di sana ada sebuah buku di meja. Jadi ini yang kegunaan atau an yang terakhir itu untuk menunjukkan tempat there is. So that is our presentation for article or an. Does anybody has a question? I think no. Okay, so our presentation is enough. Thank you, sir, and thank you, my friends.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay. You bisa Kurniawati sama dan thank you, sir. Halo, sir. Next. Ini tidak terlihat soalnya saya baca saja. Saya di sini akan menjelaskan tentang physical, yaitu untuk rujuk yang
Suaranya putus-putus. Coba minta ganti yang lain yang clear gitu loh. Maaf.
Halo.
Iya, yang pertama rujuk sesuatu kan sebelumnya. Setelah itu dan Ramos kan kalimat pertama. Kalimat Ramos lalu diawali artikel gitu. Lalu lanjutnya kan ketika pembicara dan pendengar tahu apa yang sedang dibicarakan, bahkan jika tidak disebutkan sebelumnya. Seperti where's the bathroom? It's on the first floor. Jadi kedua pembicara yang sedang dibicarakan. Sorry, I'm nervous. The man who wrote this book is famous. Jadi nulis itu dia laki-laki. Jadi dia harus jawab the itu yang kita pun the internet the our what the not or the soul selanjutnya dipersilahkan untuk Mbak Kurniawati.
Okay, thanks Mbak Ika.
Halo Mbak. Okay.
I'm Kurniawati. I'm going to explain next the function of definite article the. Article the used before superlative and ordinal number only last first and second. Di mana artikel the ini digunakan sebelum superlatif dan angka urutan. Seperti contohnya the highest building. The highest building artinya gedung tertinggi. Jadi di sini menunjukkan gedung ini gedung yang paling tinggi di antara yang lainnya. Karena ini the highest ini merupakan superlatif. Artinya super atau lebih dari yang lainnya. And the next the first page. Halaman pertama. Di sini Okay. Thanks, sir. The next article. No. Next, move on. Article the with adjective to refer to our group of people as plural noun, families, nationalities ending in s, h, easy. Jadi artikel the ini digunakan dengan kata adjektif atau kata sifat yang menunjukkan bentuk benda jamak, plural noun. Contohnya the Japanese, the English, the Dutch, the green, the old, the far, the rice. Okay, and the next article the with the word beach, cinema, country, side, road, jungle, radio, seaside, theater, world, station, shop, pub, library. Artikel the juga digunakan di depan kata benda, di mana kata benda ini sudah diketahui oleh umum atau pembicara dan pendengarnya, mereka sudah tahu maksudnya. Seperti contohnya, ini mungkin contohnya, he likes going to the theater. Jadi artinya dia suka pergi ke teater. Jadi di sini menunjukkan teater yang sudah diketahui bahwa teater ini adalah yang disukai, yang suka disukai dia. And the next article, the before most as a superlative. Artikel the sebelum superlatif most. Yang kita ketahui superlatif ini artinya super atau lebih dari yang lainnya. Contohnya itu most. Dengan contoh kalimat, she is the most beautiful girl. Artinya dia adalah wanita yang paling cantik. Jadi di sini menunjukkan wanita ini adalah wanita yang tercantik dari yang lainnya. Namun di sini ada catatan, dikatakan bahwa the article the untuk most ini tidak digunakan jika most diikuti oleh kata benda. Contohnya, most people believe he is liar. Okay, thanks. The next.
Sinta Mustika. Iya, terima kasih, Mbak. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Morning, afternoon, evening. Kata the dipakai sebelum kata yang menunjukkan waktu. For example, I be at home in the evening. The evening di sini menunjukkan waktu. Ya. Catatan, not, but don't use with, at night, at noon, at midnight, at 4 o'clock, by day, night. Historical references. Kata de di sini dipakai sebelum dekade atau peristiwa. For example, the Renaissance and the Middle Ages, the First World War. Not and catatan. But World War. Lanjut, Mbak. Use with the mind of river, seas, group of island, state, mountain, ridges, desert, ocean, channel, direction. Kata D di sini digunakan di depan nama-nama danau, laut, sungai, gurun, hutan. Selain itu, dan juga berfungsi menyebut nama bangsa dan geografis. For example, the Daugava, the Black Sea, the Bahamas, the USA, the Alps, the Sahara Desert, the Atlantic, the North Shore, East West. The name or noun with of. Kata di sini yang diawali dengan of. For example, the Tower of London, the State of Liberty. Thank you, sir. Lanjut.
Halo. Halo, good evening, sir. Oke, terima kasih Mbak Sinta Mustika.
Iya, sama-sama.
Halo.
Halo. Iya.
Yes, sir.
Silakan Mbak.
Oke. Sir, saya mau melanjutkan definisi artikel the dari musical instrument dan dance. Itu juga mencakup penggunaan kata the di depannya. Anyway, example, the piano and the tango. With the title, dengan gelar. Dengan gelar juga, but not with Queen Victoria. Ada juga gelar titel dengan kata the Queen, the Prince, namun ada juga yang tidak menggunakan the, gelar yang dikombinasikan dengan nama. Saya boleh kasih contoh lebih enggak, sir? Oh ya, oke. Prince Charles is Queen Elizabeth's son and President Kennedy was assassinated in Dallas. Dan juga untuk penggunaan with the names of cinemas, theaters, hotels, museums, newspapers, or magazine ships, dia juga untuk penggunaan kata the. Anyway, example, the Rex, the Sheraton, the Parado, the Guardian. Dengan penggunaan kata decades or groups of years, dengan dekade atau kelompok tahun. Anyway, example, she grows up in the 70s. The digunakan sebelum tahun 70s. Okay, thank you, sir.
Oke, thank you, sir. Kami dari kelompok sudah selesai presentasi. Thank you.
Any question? All friend?
Sepertinya tidak ada waktu.
Oh iya, maaf tak mute ini. Good evening, sir. Good evening, old friend. Saya menjelaskan masalah. Maaf ya, agak sedikit bindeng karena saya lagi pilek.
Siapa aja anggotamu?
Ya. Zero artikel. Oh, perkenalkan saya Ani Prayogiati, teman-teman saya Mbak Feby, Mbak Rina, Mbak Indri, Mbak Gultom. Dan saya akan menjelaskan dari grup 5 gitu. Zero article. Use one with countable plural used in the general sense. Contohnya, example students, apples. Used to. The zero article is used with uncountable noun. Example, water, love, read. Use 3. Name of some individual geographical features. Continent, countries, cities, villages, towns, street, roads, single mountain, lake, and island. Use 4 with days, months, season, and holidays. Use 5 with certain place and institution to school. Example from prison to university. Use 6 with males. Use 7 with prepositional phrase. Terdiri dari preposisi dan noun phrase and frasa kata benda. Prepositional phrase pada umumnya merupakan suatu susunan kata yang diawali preposition lalu diikuti oleh object of preposition. Example by car, bus, bicycle, plane, train, boat, on foot. But if there is a word or phrase that modifies the noun, an article is used the most delicious dinner. Dan nextnya adalah Mbak Feby. Silakan Mbak Feby. Halo Mbak Feby.
Okay, thank you, Bu Ani. I'm going to continue. There is no article. Okay, I'm going to explain when we must not use the in a sentence. With names of countries, if singular. Here the example is Germany is an important economic power. He is just returned from Zimbabwe. So in front of the country that is singular, we must not use the. But there is an exceptional here. I'm visiting the United States next week. Here the United States is plural because in United States there is a lot of states, not only one state. Also the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So there is not only one country in the United States, so we have to use the. Next, the European Union also, there's a lot of countries in the European Union, so we have to use the. Next, with the names of languages.
Baca Inggrisnya doang. Gunanya enggak ya?
French is spoken in Tahiti. English uses many words of Latin origin. Indonesian is a relatively new language. So here, we don't use the in front of the names of languages. French itu kan bahasa Prancis ya, jadi kita nggak pakai the in front of French. Ada pengecualiannya di sini. I'm studying the English language. Jadi di sini kalau kita di belakang bahasanya itu kita kasih language, jadi we have to use the. Sebenarnya di sini English itu artinya udah bahasa Inggris, cuman ini mungkin dia mau lebih spesifik karena English itu not only means bahasa Inggris, but also means orang-orang yang tinggal di England. Orang-orang yang tinggal di England itu kan juga disebutnya English. Jadi di sini dia tambahin language, the English language. With the names of meals. Lunch is at midday. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Jadi kita nggak pakai the meals. Jadi kita nggak boleh the lunch, the breakfast, the dinner gitu kita nggak boleh. Okay. Next, with people's names, if singular. John's coming to the party. George King is my uncle. Jadi kita nggak boleh pakai the sebelum nama orang. Kecuali ini ada notes-nya. We're having lunch with the Morgans tomorrow. Di sini the Morgans itu maksudnya nama belakang sebuah keluarga gitu ya. Misalkan nama bapaknya Steve Morgans, ibunya Stephanie Morgans. Anak-anaknya juga Morgans, jadi mereka disebutnya itu the Morgans. Gitu. Next, after the S position, possessive. His brother's car, Peter's house. Jadi kita nggak boleh pakai the. Peter's the house gitu nggak boleh. Jadi Peter's house aja. With professions. Engineering is a useful career. He'll probably go into medicine. Jadi juga nggak boleh pakai the ya teman-teman. The engineering gitu nggak boleh. Okay, next slide will be continued by Kak Rinai. Kak Rinai, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Phoebe. Mr. Move on to next slide, please. Okay, thank you. Di sini there is sama dengan yang slide-nya Mbak Phoebe tadi, there is no article the ya. Di sini with years. For example, 1948 was a wonderful year. Do you remember 1995? Di sini, hello? Oh, oke. Di sini tidak ada penambahan kata the ya di tahunnya di sini. And then next with uncountable nouns, this is for example, rice is the main food in Asia. Milk is often added to tea in England. Di sini ada kata rice, jadi dia tidak ada tambahan the karena dia adalah uncountable nouns, jadi dia tidak ditambah the. And then di sini ada catatan notes. I don't usually like rice, but the rice I ate yesterday was really tasty. Di sini di kalimat kedua, but the rice I ate yesterday was really tasty. Di sini di rice-nya di kata depannya ditambah the karena dia ingin menunjukkan, maksudnya biar lebih spesifik gitu. Nasi yang dimakan kemarin itu sangat lezat. Jadi dia harus ditambah the di sini. And then the next is with the names of individual mountains, lakes, and islands. Di sini misalkan nama gunung, terus benua, dan di sini example-nya Mount McKinley is the highest mountain in Alaska. She lives near Lake Windermere. Have you visited Long Island? Di sini ada note-nya, ada catatan the Alps. Ini adalah nama gunung ya. Alps ini nama gunung, jadi di bagian depannya ditambah the, menunjukkan nama gunung. And then the next with the most names of towns, streets, stations, and airports. For the example, Victoria Station is in the central of London. And then, can you direct me to Bond Street? She lives in Florence. And then they are flying to Heathrow. Yeah, that's it. Dan di sini ada Kak Indri sama Kak Gultom yang ingin menambahkan, please.
Okay, thank you. Sir, boleh saya mau tambahkan yang mulai dari halaman 35. Oke ya, di situ ada, oh ya udah tahu ya, my name is Gultom ya. Oke, di situ judulnya Zero Article.
Nenek, 睡觉
Di-mute dulu Mbak, jadi masuk suaranya. Yuswan, di situ saya akan ulang sebentar aja ya untuk bacanya. With countable plural used in their general sense. Example, student and apples. Yuswan digunakan dengan kata benda jamak dalam pengertian umum. Contohnya, siswa-siswa, dan apel-apel. Yang used to the zero article is used with uncountable nouns. Example, waters, love, and bread. Kan dengan kata benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Contohnya, air, cinta, roti. Use 3. Name of some individual geographical feature. Di sini, nama digunakan untuk nama dan ciri-ciri geografis. Contohnya, negara, kota, dan desa. Terus ada lagi ya. Oke, dan selanjutnya ada use for ya. With days, month, season, and holiday. Ini digunakan untuk nama hari, bulan, musim, dan liburan ya. Use for with country, place, and institution. Example-nya to school, from prison to university. Dan digunakan untuk nama tempat tertentu dan institusi. Contohnya sekolah, tempat penjara, dan universitas. Use 7 ya. With meals digunakan untuk penyebutan makanan. Terus selanjutnya with prepositional phrase, dan ini digunakan untuk kata-kata prasa atau kata depan. Contohnya by car, on foot, dan lain-lain. Selanjutnya untuk slide selanjutnya, Sir, boleh diperlihatkan nggak? Oke, simple aja ya untuk meminus waktu. Nah, untuk slide yang 36, tidak menggunakan artikel atau there is no article D. Apa aja? Nama negara, jika tunggal, atau nama bahasa, nama untuk jenis makanan, itu nggak memakai D, nama orang jika tunggal, dan profesi. Terus selanjutnya, slide 37 ya. Biar ada kerjanya si Indri. Slide 37, coba Indri.
Selamat malam. Untuk slide 37 mungkin saya tidak akan menambahkan. Di sini saya akan boleh kembali ke slide 36, Sir. Nah, di sini saya akan menambahkan sedikit tentang not. Di situ ada but if there is a word or phrase that modifies the noun. Nah, di situ jika ada kata atau frase yang memotivasi kata benda, maka di situ kita bisa menggunakan ataupun menambahkan artikel. Sebagai contoh, the most delicious dinner. Di situ makan malam paling lezat. Di kata noun dinner, itu kita bisa menambahkan kata the. Because di sini frase itu memodifikasi kata benda. Mungkin cukup untuk penambahan dari saya. Terima kasih. Selanjutnya adakah penambahan lagi Mbak Gultom? Kalau tidak kembali ke Bu Ani mungkin. Halo Bu Ani?
Sudah cukup, sudah Mbak. Ditutup. Any question bilang gitu.
Bu Ani mana Bu Ani?
Oh ya. Ada pertanyaan, any question for my friend, all my friends?
Oke, kalau nggak ada terima kasih dah.
No answer. Okay, thank you very much for all my friends. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
And Anas. And horse. A secretary.
A secretary. A tailor.
A tailor can make a suit.
A suit for pair of those.
His daughter
is
a
university.
An architect. An English. A college.
An
engineer. When he is a man.
No, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Bye-bye, sir. Good night. Thank you.
Good night.